Good afternoon. This is Harshit, your host, with all that is new in this emerging tech world. I wish all our viewers a very happy Dussehra on behalf of all the members of IT Voice. Google has added AQI Air Quality Index reading features to Google Discover for mobile users in India. This feature is accessible to both Android and iPhone users and can be found in a card below the search tab on Discover. Users can customize the settings of the Discover card to receive updates on sports, matches, weather in their city, and AQI details. The feature is available to users in India and can be accessed by swiping to the left. Subscribers to multiple updates on Discover can view AQI readings in their region based on location access. Google has also introduced generative AI powered overviews for search content which requires sign up. Next up we have Apple is expected to unveil new MacBooks and an updated iMac by the end of October. The anticipated models include a new 13-inch MacBook Pro, high-end MacBook Pro and a 24-inch iMac. The current 24-inch iMac has gone without a hardware update for over 900 days since its launch in 2021. Apple aims to clear existing stock before the official announcement later this month. Apple may also update the 13-inch MacBook Pro and there's a possibility of updating the 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pros. Apple is also working on a high-end 32-inch iMac expected to launch in 2024 or 2025. Sony redesigns PS5 for slimmer variants. With same performance, Sony has introduced redesigned, slimmer variants of the PS5, maintaining graphical fidelity and game performance. The updated models are over 30% smaller in volume and 18% to 24% lighter. Both disc and digital variants will launch during the holiday season. Bilbicon suggests these variants will release on 10 November. The new console features 4 separate cover panels with a glossy top and matte bottom. Sony has also launched Marvel's Spider-Man 2 exclusively for the PlayStation 5. Chinese smartphone brand Vivo has launched 2 new V series smartphones in India, the Vivo V29 5G and Vivo V29 Pro 5G. Both models feature a 50 megapixel OIS night camera, smart aura light technology and 6.78-inch curved 120Hz display. The Vivo V29 Pro 5G starts at Rs 39,999 for the 8GB plus 256GB variant and Rs 42,999 for the 12GB plus 256GB variant. These devices are powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset and Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor. Both smartphones have a large 4600 mAh battery and a triple rear camera setup. Color options include Himalayan blue and space black. DS Automobiles has integrated ChatGPT into its DS Iris system, turning the onboard voice recognition system into a digital assistant for driver queries. The AI-powered digital assistant can answer questions, provide information about tourist destinations, create quizzes, and generate children's stories. This integration is available for free for a 6-month period for subscribers between October 2023 and Feb 2024. If successful, this technology could be integrated into Citroën cars and other Stellantis brands including Jeep. The integration aims to provide a unique onboard experience for drivers and passengers. Next up we have Apple launches $1 billion plan to enhance Siri and iOS with AI integration. Apple is embarking on a $1 billion initiative to incorporate AI into Siri and its iOS operating system. The project, led by executive John Gianandrea, Craig Federighi and Eddie Q, seeks to improve Siri's integration and integrate AI across Apple's operating systems. Apple's focuses on features powered by Apple's large language model Apple GPT. The project also includes integrating AI into development tools like Xcode and across various apps such as Apple Music, Pages and Keynote. This initiative aims to enhance user experiences and make AI a core component of Apple's software ecosystem. At last, Foxconn faces investigation by mainland Chinese tax authorities. Taiwan-based company Foxconn, known for manufacturing Apple products, is currently under investigation by mainland Chinese tax authorities. The investigation focuses on Foxconn's key enterprises in Guangdong and Jiangsu provinces and examines the land use of Foxconn's key enterprises in Henan and Hubei provinces. Foxconn founder Terry Gou, who announced his candidacy for Taiwan's presidency in the 2024 elections, has stated that he is not afraid of China. Mainland Chinese experts suggest that the investigation is a routine part of business operations and that all companies undergo tax inspection. Foxconn has expressed its willingness to cooperate with relevant departments during their inspection and prioritize compliance with laws and regulations. The upcoming election could impact Taiwan's relationship with China given Gau's open stance on China. Thank you for tuning in. This is Harshit signing off. Stay updated on the tech news with IT Voice. अरे भाई तेरा आईफोन 15 के तेरे को हॉट फील कराता है।
अरे भाई यार पॉकेट में तंदूर लगा लिया है।
भाई इसे पकड़ते तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे समर वेकेशन स्टार्ट हो गई है।
ये ले भाई, विंटर वेकेशन भी माना।
भाई ये क्या है, आइस पैक? ये आईफोन वालों ने कोई नई एक्सेसरी दी है क्या इसके साथ में?
भाई एक्सक्लूसिव प्रोडक्ट है, एप्पल स्टोर से नहीं मिलेगा तेरे को ये।
अरे वाह भाई, इनको बोल ये तो फ्री में दे, इसकी तो बहुत ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है।
हाँ भाई, आईफोन का ठंडक की गारंटी।
अरे वाह। अरे भाई तेरा आईफोन 15 के तेरे को हॉट फील कराता है।
अरे भाई यार पॉकेट में तंदूर लगा लिया है।
भाई इसे पकड़ते तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे समर वेकेशन स्टार्ट हो गई है।
ये ले भाई, विंटर वेकेशन भी माना।
भाई ये क्या है, आइस पैक?